Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. I've been going through my home and organizing small areas that don't take a lot of time. Breaking projects into manageable sizes makes a difference. That way you don't have to have your whole room all messed up and you run out of time or energy to finish the job. I was looking for a paper and couldn't find it at first glance, so I thought I'd better just clean out the whole nightstand since I knew it was in there somewhere. I keep drafts of my papers for school in this place, and it is a catch-all place for future ideas and just about any other miscellaneous items. As always, I took everything off the top, I cleaned it, and then put only what I wanted back on the top. The rest was returned to where they belonged or they were donated. Then I did the bottom drawer because it was going to be easier than the top one. Everything came out, I cleaned the drawer, I sorted through the things, and I returned only what I wanted to keep and donated the rest. Last was the top drawer. It looked like a big mess, and I thought it would take me a very long time to sort through all the papers. But it didn't. I took everything out, cleaned the drawer, sorted the papers and the other things in the drawer. I worked fast and steady, and it was done quickly. I even found the paper I was looking for. It isn't perfect now, but it looks much better and is better organized. It doesn't take a lot of time to organize or declutter if you break things up into pieces and do a little at a time. You can fit 5 or 15 minutes here and there in your day. It is a short amount of time and is over before you know it. So today, do something. It doesn't matter what or where, just do something. Set a timer if you need to help keep you on task. It will be worth it. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.